for Bugilanan, San Pedro. Good evening.
Good evening.
And congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Like the rest of the finalists and semi-finalists. Pati mo naman yung mga family supporters.
Ay, maayong gabi ka nating tanan. I would like to thank my supporters, especially my family, my friends, and my kabarangay. I would also like to thank the panel of judges for making me part of top 5. Thank you so much. Top 10. Thank you.
Manifesting.
Yes.
And with that, I'm sure you are so ready for the question. To be in the top 5. Take your question and do that. I will read the question twice. Here we go. Not all tourism is good tourism. How would you balance the desire for economic growth with the need to protect our cultural integrity and environment? Again, not all tourism is good tourism. How would you balance the desire for economic growth with the need to protect our cultural integrity and environment?
Thank you so much. I believe that caring the environment means being mindful of our action and the impact we leave behind. When we care, when we give care to the environment, we are not just protecting the nature. We are showing respect to the people and the culture who call these places home. And when we chose sustainable and responsible tourism, we are not just protecting the nature, but we are showing respect to all. And let the progress show, but not in the cost of who we are. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Bugilanan, San Pedro. And we hope to see you again next